Hello kids and welcome back to Navya and Ojaswi channel. So today we are going to make a clock. Let's start how to make the clock. First I will tell you what we need for the clock. We need to have one cardboard and take one bowl and make it a round shape. And with the same bowl, we have to cut the paper, and after that we have to make a hole in it also. We need numbers. I have cut it from my books, but it is my old books and I have written the numbers. We need glue for sticking. With this kit, I have colored these two arrows, R and minute hand. We need one needle and one moti to put it inside it. So let's start. We need a cut round paper. I mean a cardboard, and then we put the paper on the cardboard. Now I have spread in the glue, and after putting it I have spread the glue everywhere. So let's put this. So see, I have taken it. Now let's go on the next step. So I have made some 12 dots. On that we will stick the numbers. We have to first stick these all. So I have stick all the numbers. Now we will stick the needle. How? Let me show you. First we will take a gold. I have this gold needle. You can even take a silver needle. I am taking this needle and I am putting this motif inside this. After that I am putting on the needles. Put this needle inside this, and then we'll put this needle also after this needle. Here, now I'm putting this needle inside. Can you see it's coming out? Can you see how my needle is stick? Can you see how have we bended the needle and we have put in a cardboard? We can even, if we turn this cardboard, then this needle will go here and this needle will go middle of 5. So it is 8 o'clock. My clock is showing. If we turn this, it will. If you like my clock making video, then subscribe my channel. Press the bell button to watch more videos and do like. Bye bye. See you in the next video.